Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Easy with Podcast. I am your host, John.
And I am Olivia. Welcome. Today we are talking about a very special and important topic. We are talking about the secret power of a simple life.
Yes. Do you feel tired every day? Do you feel you have too many things to do? Stay with us because rule number 4 will completely change your life.
It is true. A simple life can make you much happier. But first, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and write a comment below. It helps us a lot.
So, Olivia, let us begin. What is a simple life for you? What does it mean?
That is a great question, John. For me, a simple life means less stress. It means I have time for the things I really love. How about you?
I agree with you. A simple life means I do not rush all the time. I start my day feeling calm. I don't worry about small things.
But today, the world is very fast. Many people want more. They want more money, more cars, and bigger houses.
Exactly. People think that having more things will make them happy, but does it?
Not always. More things do not always bring happiness. In fact, sometimes they bring more problems and more to worry about.
Listeners, we have a question for you at home. What do you think about this? Does having more things make you happier?
Yes, tell us in the comments what you think. Do you prefer a simple life or a busy life?
Let us recap. A simple life is not about having nothing. It's about having the right things for your happiness.
It's about finding joy in small things. For example, drinking a hot cup of tea in the morning very slowly.
Or reading a good book on the weekend. Or taking a quiet walk in the park. These things are free, but they are very wonderful. It's quiz time.
Here's a question for you.
What does a simple life mean for Olivia?
Option A, having more money and big cars.
Option B, having less stress and time for things she loves.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option B, having less stress and time for things she loves. Let us talk about our rules for a simple life. Rule number 1 is buy less.
Buy less. That's a great rule to start with. But why is it important, Olivia?
When you buy less, 2 good things happen. First, you save money. Second, you keep your house clean and organized. A clean house makes a calm mind. When I have too many things in my room, it feels messy. When my room is messy, I feel stressed inside.
That is very true. It's hard to relax in a messy room. Have you ever tried to clean a room that is full of things you never use?
It takes a long time, and most of the time I realize I don't even use half of the things I own.
Exactly. So our advice is buy only what you really need. Before buying a new shirt or a new phone, stop. Ask yourself, do I really need this?
It's a simple question, but it works. Listeners, do you follow this rule in your life? Do you buy too many things? Write your answer in the comments.
So a short recap here. Rule number 1 is buy less. This gives you more space and less stress in your home.
Let us move to rule number 2. Rule number 2 is put down your phone.
Oh, this is a very important rule today. We spend too much time on our phones, do we not?
Yes, we do. We look at screens all day long. We check messages, watch videos, and read the news. It makes our eyes tired and our minds busy.
It does. Sometimes I look at my phone for an hour and I don't even realize it. That's an hour of my life gone.
When you put your phone away, what happens? You finally see the real world around you.
You can talk to your family face to face. You can look at the sky. You can enjoy your food without looking at a screen.
Listeners, let's be honest. How much time do you spend on your phone every day? Is it 1 hour, maybe 4 hours?
Write it in the comments. Tell us how much screen time you have. We love reading your comments.
It's quiz time.
Here's a question for you.
What is rule number 2 for a simple life?
Option A, buy a newer and faster phone.
Option B, put down your phone.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option B, put down your phone. Let us keep going. Rule number 3 is about how you start your day. Have a slow morning.
A slow morning. I love this rule so much. Many people start their day in a big rush.
Yes, they wake up late, they run to the kitchen, they drink coffee very fast, and they run to work.
That makes you feel nervous and stressed from the very first minute of your day.
Instead, we can wake up just 15 minutes earlier. Just 15 minutes can change your whole day.
Yes, John. In those 15 minutes, you can sit down. You can drink your tea quietly. You can look out the window at the sunshine.
You can think about your plan for the day without panicking. You feel calm and ready.
A simple life starts in the morning. If your morning is calm, your whole day is calm. Do you agree, listeners?
Listeners, do you have a slow morning or a busy morning? Let us know in the comments below.
Here's a quick recap. Rule number 3 is have a slow morning. Start your day with peace.
Now it's time for rule number 4. At the beginning of the podcast, we told you this rule is very powerful. Yes. Are you ready? Rule number 4 is learn to say no.
Say no. It sounds so simple, but many people are afraid to say no.
We want to make everyone happy. We want everyone to like us, so we say yes to every invitation, every extra work, and every party.
But let's think about this. We only have 24 hours in one day. We can't do everything. If we try to do everything, we get very tired.
When you say no to things you don't want to do, you say yes to your own happiness. You save your own free time.
For example, if you're tired on Friday evening, you don't have to go out with friends. You can say no politely and stay home to rest.
That's the secret power of a simple life. You are the boss of your own time.
Listeners, is it easy or difficult for you to say no? Do you struggle with this? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear your stories.
Let us recap. Rule number 4 is very powerful. Learn to say no to protect your time, your energy, and your simple life. It's quiz time.
Here's a question for you.
Why is it powerful to say no?
Because you make people angry at you?
Option B, because it protects your time and happiness.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option B, protect your time and happiness. We have one final rule for today. Rule number 5, spend more time in nature.
Yes, this is so important. Nature is quiet and peaceful. Nature helps us relax naturally.
You don't need to travel far. Just walking under the trees in a local park can make you feel so much better.
It's like free medicine. The fresh air, the green trees, the birds singing. It's completely free and completely simple.
Listeners, do you like walking in the park, or do you prefer sitting near a river? What is your favorite place in nature? Write your answer in the comments. A simple life helps you see the beauty around you. You stop rushing. You stop running everywhere. You just start enjoying the world.
We have talked about some great ideas today. Let's quickly recap all the rules we learned today about having a simple life.
Rule number 1, buy less. You'll have more space and less stress.
Rule number 2, put down your phone. Look at the real world and spend time with your family.
Rule number 3, have a slow morning. Wake up a little earlier and start your day calmly.
Rule number 4, learn to say no. Protect your time and energy for the things that really matter.
And finally, rule number 5, spend more time in nature. Enjoy the simple, free things in life.
If you start doing these simple things, your life will become simpler, slower, and happier.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Speak English Easy with Podcast. We are so happy to help you practice your English listening skills.
We hope you liked today's topic. Please remember to like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel.
And leave a comment below. What is your favorite rule from today's podcast? Will you try to have a slower morning tomorrow?
We love reading your comments. See you in the next episode. Have a wonderful and simple week.
Goodbye, everyone, and keep speaking easy English.